How to get to $200 plus per day online. If you're still struggling to see any income and commissions online, then pay attention and watch till the end. Are you still struggling to see any meaningful income online? Are you still trying to make money but you just can't seem to get anywhere? Do you feel like banging your head against a brick wall because you can't seem to work out what you actually need to do to start seeing income online? Are you fed up trying to work out what others are doing and what you're not, and why others seem to make thousands and you can't even seem to make a measly $20, $30 or even just $50 per day? Frustrating? Well, don't panic. I have been where you are. I know that exact feeling of failure, so I know exactly what you're going through. But before I go any further, let me tell you the truth about making money online. I know this question always comes up in your mind, that is it possible to make a living online? Like $5,000 to $6,000 a month? And the answer is yes. A big yes. But here is a catch: people don't tell their secrets. Most of the internet guru tells wrong stuff. Why? Because they don't want you to know their secrets that are making money. So if you're able to make money, how would they sell their crappy products to you? I'm telling you the truth. To succeed online, you must have 3 things: a niche, content, products to promote. And affiliate marketing is the only way where you don't need to worry about these 3 things. The question here is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is something selling products owned by others, and when someone buys the product through you, you get a commission. Simple? Yes, it's that simple. This is what people don't tell you. That affiliate marketing is the only passive way where you can make money while sleeping. And the best part is, no technical skills. No search engine optimization. No 9-to-5 working. No need of any digital expertise. Making $1,000 a day is nothing in this powerful system. All you need is to put some efforts. Are you ready? I've leave a link right below this video, go and check it out. This method allows you to make money while sleeping. Note my words.